Hello and welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. My name is Nicole Ramos and today I have a wonderful oil-free, plant-based mayo recipe to show you. Here are the ingredients. Today I'm going to be using a 14-ounce block of tofu, and this particular one is firm. We'll talk a little bit more about that later. We're also using about half to 1 cup of soy milk, and we'll talk about these measurements later on as well. 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. We've got 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seed powder. Last but not least, we have here 1.5 tablespoons of instant clear gel. Okay, so let's get started. There's really nothing to this recipe. We're going to start by breaking our tofu. And this particular tofu is extra firm. This is just what I choose to have in my fridge all the time. There are all kind of different textures to tofu. You can get really soft tofu, and then you can get really hard tofu. And this is just one I had in my fridge. If you go into your fridge and you've got tofu and you don't know whether you can use it in this recipe, don't worry, you can. All you really have to do is adjust the milk, which is why the recipe calls for 1/2 cup or 1 cup of soy milk. So because this is a firm tofu, we're going to add about 1/2 cup and then see how it does in the blender. If the blender's having trouble blending it, we'll add a bit more. And if you add too much milk, not to worry. Our instant clear gel is going to help harden that up. That's why I like using the firm tofu. I feel like you get more bang for your buck. Just add more milk to it and you'll get more mayo for the price, because all tofus are charged or priced the same. Okay, so we're adding our instant clear gel, which is going to be the hardening agent there, and the lemon juice. And the recipe calls for 1.5 tablespoons. You can put up to 2 tablespoons for that nice kick. Put a little bit more of milk, and then we're going to put in our garlic, our onion, and our mustard. And we're just going to blend it up. Okay, and that's done. You're going to blend this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and the reason you're blending it for so long in high speed is to activate that instant clear gel, which is actually only really activated once it's been blended. So I just want to show you there. It's kind of soft, but you're going to put that in a jar or in a bowl or in a closed Tupperware container, and you're going to set that in the fridge for an hour or more. And of course, I'm going to show you the finished product. This is what it looks like. Look at that. Nice and mayo-like. Wonderful. And you can use this for all of your mayo needs. Spreads, dressings, and the lot. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll try this at home. See you next time.